So this is our quarantine room. I have a little new 120 over there. That's our coral quarantine. And that's our two 240 litre saltwater mixers. Okay, we just plugged the RO in. We've got high flow filters in there. Look at that. So that will fill up our 100 litre RO tank in here. We've got our saltwater mixers. This will be our quarantine room. Okay, so Sarah has wanted the RO unit to be hooked up to our laundry tap forever and a day. So we've just finished plumbing the massive pred tank. I'm letting that dry until we tighten everything up. Just put the RO unit up on the wall, some brass fittings, the waste will go in the sink, and then we have 10 metres which will run out to our 100 litre RO tank out in the spare room. Perfect little setup, very happy with that. Okay, so Sarah's RO unit is hooked up. So I've got the waste going straight into the drain, which is fantastic, or I'll just gather that up for the garden. RO unit, and we have 10 metres we measured out. Moray eel tank, reef tank, big 9 had just been plumbed up, and the 10 metres of line runs beautifully into the 100 litre RO tub. This will be our little quarantine room, as said before, so that's going to be our little fish tank. I'm just waiting on a return pipe I've ordered through Aqua One. That's our little coral quarantine, and our 2x240 fishy mess plumbing. It always happens. So this will make RO fantastic. Set a timer, forget it, Bob's your uncle.